This video is your 7-day study motivation challenge. Imagine this. It's Monday morning, your books are open, your laptop's ready, but your brain, it's already somewhere else. You tell yourself you'll study soon. An hour later, you're still scrolling or watching random videos. Sound familiar? You're not lazy. Your brain just isn't trained to focus the right way. In the next 7 days, you can flip that around. This video is your 7-day study motivation challenge, and if you stick with it, you'll unlock a secret weapon every top student uses, the power of routine. What makes this 7-day challenge so different? You'll find out. And the key twist comes at the very end. Over the next week, you'll learn how to set achievable goals. You'll discover the power of breaking tasks into smaller, manageable chunks, and the importance of taking regular breaks to keep your mind fresh. We'll explore how technology can be your ally, not your enemy, and how studying with friends can boost your motivation and make learning fun. By the end of this challenge, you'll reflect on your progress and see how far you've come. You'll feel more confident, more focused, and ready to tackle any academic challenge. And who knows, you might even inspire others to join you on this journey. So are you ready to unlock your focus and transform your study habits? Let's get started on this 7-day study motivation challenge. Together, we'll make this week the most productive one yet. Most people fail before they start because their environment works against them. Clear your study space. Remove distractions before they become temptations. Set a time block every day for studying. Same time, same place. Your brain loves patterns. Write out your study goals every morning. Clear targets trigger action. Start small. Aim for just 25 minutes of deep focus. Tiny wins build momentum. Bonus tip. Add a small reward at the end. Your brain loves prizes. What's the secret trick top students use to make this feel automatic? Coming in day 3. Use active recall techniques. Quiz yourself regularly to reinforce learning. Teach what you've learned to someone else. Teaching is a powerful way to solidify knowledge. Incorporate short breaks. Use the Pomodoro technique to keep your mind fresh. Visualize information. Use mind maps and diagrams to connect ideas. Leverage technology. Use apps and online resources to enhance your study sessions. Reflect on your progress. Adjust your study plan as needed to stay on track. Practice mindfulness. A calm mind is a focused mind. Prioritize sleep. A well-rested brain is more effective. Maintain a healthy diet. Fuel your brain with nutritious foods. Stay active. Regular exercise boosts brain function. Celebrate your achievements. Acknowledge your progress to stay motivated. Prepare for the next day. Set up your study space and materials in advance. Stay positive. A positive mindset enhances learning and retention. What's the secret trick top students use to make this feel automatic? Coming in day 4. Logic doesn't drive action. Emotions do. Before every study session, remind yourself why you're studying. Is it getting into your dream career? Proving something to yourself? Escaping the stress of last-minute cramming? Write this on a sticky note and put it in your study space. Music hack. Create a focused playlist that triggers the right mood. Calm, confident, focused. Visualization exercise. Picture yourself nailing your exams and feeling proud. This mental movie creates real motivation. Bonus tip, share your 7-day challenge with a friend. Social pressure adds power. What if motivation fades by day 5? There's a trick for that. And it's surprisingly fun. On day 3, set up a study schedule. Break down your tasks into manageable chunks. Remember to take short breaks. A 5-minute break every hour can boost your productivity. Use a timer to keep track of your study sessions and breaks. This helps maintain focus. Stay hydrated and snack on healthy foods. Your brain needs fuel to function at its best. Review your notes regularly. Highlight key points to make them easier to remember. Use flashcards or study apps to test your knowledge. Active recall is a powerful learning technique. Join a study group. Discussing topics with others can deepen your understanding. Set specific goals for each study session. Write them down to keep yourself accountable. Practice mindfulness or deep breathing exercises to reduce stress and improve concentration. Celebrate small wins. Reward yourself for completing tasks to stay motivated. Surround yourself with positivity. Look at motivational quotes or affirmations to boost your mood. Reflect on your progress at the end of each day. Write down what you've achieved and what you can improve. Prepare for the next day. Organize your study materials and plan your tasks. Remember, every small step brings you closer to your goal. stay focused, and keep pushing forward. When studying feels like a boring chore, your brain resists. It's natural to feel unmotivated when the task at hand seems dull and monotonous. But what if you could transform your study sessions into something exciting and engaging? Flip it into a game. Turn studying into challenges you actually want to complete. By gamifying your study routine, you can make learning fun and rewarding. Examples: time trials. See how fast you can finish one chapter. Set a timer and race against the clock. This not only makes studying more exciting, but also helps improve your speed and efficiency. Study bingo. Create a bingo card of tasks to complete. Each square represents a different study task. As you complete each task, mark off the square. Aim to get a bingo by completing a row, column, or diagonal. Reward ladder. Every hour studied unlocks a small treat. This could be a snack, a short break, or a fun activity. The anticipation of a reward can keep you motivated and focused. Use apps like Forest or Study Bunny to make focus fun. These apps turn studying into a game, where you can grow virtual trees or care for a virtual pet as you stay focused. Remember, the goal isn't just to study, it's to enjoy showing up every day. When you look forward to your study sessions, you're more likely to be consistent and productive. What's the final key that ties everything together on day 7? It's the climax ritual, and it can change your entire study life. The climax ritual is a special activity you do at the end of your study week to celebrate your achievements. It could be a fun outing, a special treat, or anything that makes you feel rewarded for your hard work. Plan your climax ritual at the beginning of the week. Knowing you have something exciting to look forward to can keep you motivated throughout your study sessions. Reflect on your progress and celebrate your wins. This not only boosts your confidence, but also reinforces positive study habits. Share your success with friends or family. Celebrating together can make your achievements feel even more rewarding and encourage you to keep going. Set new goals for the next week. Continuous improvement is key to long-term success. By setting new challenges, you keep your study routine fresh and exciting. With these strategies, you can turn studying from a chore into an adventure. Embrace the journey and enjoy the process of learning and growing. Rituals are like habits that feel special. Top students have one, and you can too. Your ritual can be anything: lighting a candle before studying, wearing a special focus hoodie, or writing your top goal for the day before you open your laptop. This might sound small, but rituals train your brain to switch into focus mode instantly. Once you create a ritual you love, studying stops being random. It becomes your daily ritual for success. Bonus: end your study session by writing down one small win, proof you're making progress. What happens if you actually stick to this for 30 days? I'll give you a sneak peek at the end. Take a moment to breathe deeply and center yourself. Reflect on your journey so far. What have you learned about yourself? Visualize your goals and the steps you need to take to achieve them. Sometimes, stepping outside and connecting with nature can refresh your mind. Enjoy a cup of tea or a quiet moment to yourself. Organize your study space. A clean environment can lead to a clear mind. Plan your study session. Set a timer and break your tasks into manageable chunks. Remember to take breaks, stretch, move around, and give your brain a rest. Review your notes and summarize key points. This reinforces what you've learned. Feel the sense of accomplishment. You've made progress, and that's worth celebrating. Prepare for tomorrow. Set your goals and get ready to continue your journey. Reflect on today. What went well? What can you improve? End your day with gratitude. Acknowledge the progress you've made and be kind to yourself. Look forward to the future. Each day is a step closer to your goals. Stay inspired and keep pushing forward. Your journey is just beginning. Believe in yourself. You have the power to achieve great things. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Each victory is a step forward. Plan ahead. Set your intentions for the next week and stay focused. Stay motivated and keep your eyes on the prize. Your hard work will pay off. End your day with a sense of peace. Rest well and recharge for tomorrow. In just 7 days, you built a focus habit most students never have. You proved to yourself that motivation isn't magic. It's built through routine, emotion, and fun. If you repeat this for a month, studying will feel automatic. No more forcing yourself. And here's the real secret. This same routine works for anything, not just studying. Fitness, side projects, learning new skills. It's all about creating your personal success ritual. Now challenge yourself. Will you actually try this for 7 days? Comment "I'm in" if you're ready. Imagine the feeling of accomplishment when you see your progress. You've already taken the first step by completing this challenge. Celebrate your success and keep pushing forward. Remember, every small step counts towards your bigger goals. Keep the momentum going and make every day count. You've got this. Let's make the next 7 days even more amazing. Comment "I'm in" if you're ready to take on the next challenge. Want me to create a printable 7-day study motivation tracker for you? Drop a comment saying "send me the tracker" and I'll hook you up. And if you want more motivation hacks like this, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a new challenge. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to your goals. Stay positive and keep pushing forward. Celebrate your small wins and keep the momentum going. Consistency is key, and you've got this. Visualize your success and make it happen. Take care of yourself and stay energized. Balance your study sessions with breaks to recharge. You're doing amazing, and I believe in you. Share your progress and inspire others. Plan your week and set new goals. You've got the power to achieve anything you set your mind to. Keep up the great work and stay motivated. When I started college, I had zero focus. I remember sitting in my dorm room, surrounded by books and notes, feeling completely lost and overwhelmed. It felt like no matter how hard I tried, I just couldn't concentrate. I thought I was just lazy, until I found this exact process. It was a revelation. I stumbled upon a method that promised to help me regain my focus, and I decided to give it a try. Little did I know, it would change my life. One small ritual turned into one big habit, and that habit changed everything. I started with just a few minutes each day, setting up my study environment and committing to a routine. Over time, those few minutes turned into hours of productive study sessions. If it worked for me, I know it can work for you. This process isn't just about studying, it's about transforming your mindset and building habits that will serve you for a lifetime. Believe in yourself, take that first step, and watch as your focus and determination grow stronger each day. Remember, every great journey begins with a single step. You have the power to change your life, just like I did. Stay committed, stay focused, and never give up. Your future self will thank you for the effort you put in today. So take a deep breath and dive into this 7-day challenge with all your heart. Embrace the process and let it guide you to a place of clarity and purpose. You've got this, and I believe in you. If you're still needing help, check out this next video. Struggling to study? These apps will change your life. 2025.